Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and seeing this for the first time, my name is Mapula Thompo. I hope you like what you see and join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continuous support. I really appreciate you so much. So today I'm going to be doing my final pregnancy update. So I have given birth to a healthy baby girl. Yeah, so we thank God for a healthy and safe pregnancy journey, and also for a healthy and safe delivery, and blessing us with a healthy we are blessed to have a healthy newborn baby, an additional member to our family. I mean, there's no interesting delivery stories whatsoever. And if you noticed, I didn't even do a how did I get pregnant, how did I know I got pregnant, and all of that, because it was planned. As much as we plan, God had our plans, and things were easy. It was very easy for me to conceive. The delivery was very easy and safe, and there's no interesting thing to say about the deliveries and stuff. So I just wanted to tell you guys that we have a healthy baby girl, and thank you so much for being with us through the pregnancy journey. So unfortunately, there's not gonna be baby-based content on this channel. This channel is all about me, myself, and I. Yes, I do feature some of my family members here and there. You will see the baby here and there in due time, but there is not going to be content based on the baby. So the time I'm recording this, this is real time, by the way. I am 6 weeks postpartum, so my baby went for immunization yesterday. 6 weeks immunization, a day before yesterday. We are 6 weeks postpartum. Everything is going well, guys. God has been good in my life. I have been busy. I've been very tired. God has been great. This pregnancy has brought me nothing but great things. Things I'm not necessarily not allowed to say, but I cannot mention now, but I will in due time. We are happy, man. Things are great. And one thing I did not show you is the Dischem baby bag that I received over 2 months back. So I haven't had time to film, hence the delay. So today I'm going to be unboxing our Dischem / Baby City baby bag. I qualified for this bag. You know, the haul that I did, the baby haul with the baby stuff, what. I bought almost everything at Dischem. I spent almost 2,000, close to 3,000 rands, but you only need to spend 1,000 bucks to qualify to get this bag. If you want to know the details, please Google. I don't think I'm going to be able to share the details, but if you Google Dischem baby bag, I am sure the details, you will find the details there. So items that are not included in that 1,000 rand. There are certain items you need to buy in order to qualify for this bag, and there are certain items that are not counted. So it is better if you go to Google to find the information and understand it by yourself. But what I know is you need to spend a minimum of 1,000 bucks in order to qualify for this bag. So after spending that money, I received the bag after 6 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. I remember I was at home when the person from Dischem called me to come collect, and I told the person that I'm not around routing at the moment, so I asked if I could send my husband to come pick it up, and they said it's fine. He needs to come with his ID and my ID. So because I had my ID back home, they said an ID copy was fine, and then my husband went and collected it without any hassles. It came like this. It came wrapped in a see-through plastic bag, and let us unbox and see what is inside. You find 27 diapers, newborn diapers, already used some. I just had to put it back in just so I can show you what's in the bag. So it's newborn diapers, maternity pads, cotton buds, wipes, breast milk storage container, disposable underwear, Portia M baby wash. Oh, don't know if you can see it. 100 mils. These are samples because they are very small. They are tiny. Baby bum cream, very tiny. It's very tiny. And baby aqua's cream. They are both from the brand Bennett's. Yeah. Nappy ointment cream from the Panthen. What is this? For taking a syringe, for taking medication. Baby aqua's cream. Glycerin soap. Yeah, this is all, and you find this in the bag for when you want to change the baby. You can put it down and put the baby here. This is how the bag looks from the inside. Very spacious, very spacious, and you can even open this compartment over here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. So thank you again for being with us throughout the pregnancy journey, and thank you so much for watching this very short video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye guys.